Slovenia, my homeland, is a testament to nature's power and majesty. Watching my husband cycle through Eastern Slovenia fills me with pride. Yet, as we journey through inspiring landscapes, I am reminded of the natural wonders we miss when following him around the world. Family road trips are a chance to discover the magic of living in harmony with nature. The vibrant vineyards and serene forests are humbling reminders of life's simple treasures. We are constantly surrounded by the beauty of green Slovenia, and I'm filled with a sense of gratitude. We have been blessed to experience this journey together. And we will always carry the beauty of our homeland in our hearts, no matter where life takes us. Welcome to Slovenia, our cycling playground.